Hi, in this series of tutorials I'm going to try to teach you guys how to let your application get the most out of Windows 7. So let's get started. I'm just going to show you a few examples of some of the things I'm going to try to teach you. For example, this is a custom open file dialog. As you can see, you can select options down here, and there's different types of controls that I can choose from, such as a combo box or name checking and stuff. And this is a custom file saving dialog, which is basically the same as the other one. Let's get rid of that. I think this is a bit more impressive. Just look down here in the taskbar. So see, when I click on these buttons, a little icon appears on the taskbar. So you can choose from different icons. You could choose to have a progress bar. You can see different colors, and you can control the progress. And the Windows 7 jump list, which is when someone right clicks on the application, what appears. For example, I'll add a new item. I don't know, I'll change the name or something. And if we press this button, as you'll see, the jump list has changed. Alright, that's enough for now. And this one. This is particularly useful, I reckon. It's just a really advanced form of the message box. It looks much better, and it is much better. Okay, let's have a look. As you can see, there's a lot more buttons than you can select in the message box, and you can always see the result of which button got pressed. As you can see, you can add custom buttons to this. You can enable and disable stuff. You can use the Windows admin. You can ask the user for administrative controls with the little shield icon. You could have that little expander down here that will show you more information. And of course, I think these are also in the message box, so this is nothing special there. But this is, you can have a progress bar in the message box, so it's pretty cool. Alright, let's get started. Again, to get started, you'll need to get a thing called the Windows API Code Pack. Just Google that, and the first link should take you to archives.mstn, so just click on that. Once you have this page open, we'll just look for the downloads link. To navigate to there, just click on this one here. As of this recording, it's using Windows version 1.1, so just download that. And once you've downloaded that, you'll get an executable file. And don't worry, it doesn't actually install anything on the computer. Just double click on it. Just go yes if it asks you for that. And you'll extract this thing. And we're going to extract that to wherever you want to extract it. Just put it in a safe, put it in an accessible place, because you will be using this a lot. Okay. And now you have the Windows API Code Pack. Okay, I'm just gonna go over a few instructions so I don't have to do this at the start of every tutorial. From now on, before you start any of my tutorials, this is what you have to do. Just open any project, whether it be a WPF or a Windows Forms application. Just for this, I'm gonna use a Windows Forms application. I'll name it What to Do. Okay, there's nothing special yet. Just navigate to where you saved your project. You can do that by right-clicking on a project in the Solution Explorer, then click Open File in Windows Explorer. And once you have that open, go back to where you saved your Windows API Code Pack. Just navigate to the binaries folder and copy over the file called Microsoft.Windows API Code Pack.dll. Just copy that over. into your project folder. Once you have that, go back into Visual Studio, then right click on References, then click on Add Reference, and then click on Browse, and select the DLL file we just copied over, then press OK. And once you've done that, right click on your window or whatever, go to View Code, and put in using Microsoft.Windows API code pack. This is what you're going to have to do before every tutorial that you watch of mine. Alright, I think I've covered everything. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later.